Alright guys, this is something I wanted to do for a while. I'm going to work on the Cruzer, give the Cruzer some love. If I sound a bit down, I am. I'm going to fit a horn. I think it'd be pretty cool. Just a car horn. Pull the cowl off the Cruzer. Just a simple 12-volt system. But you got to do things right, don't you? Do it right. The standard you walk past is the standard you set. So, don't accept mediocre. I've got a blade, just a blade fuse to go in line. You know, a simple thing like this. I don't want this to, you know, potentially start a fire or something in my aeroplane. I've got a push button. I think I've got another one in the cupboard. And I went to the trouble, I've bought a relay. Someone told me I need or Google might have told me I need a relay. I think that takes the load, you know, off the switch, etc. I might just run the switch to earth in the cockpit and rob power in the firewall forward area there somewhere, and some more spade bits. So let's have a little bit of fun and get horny. Right, not sure what I'm doing here, but good old Google told me what to do. Rather rude and crude, but I've wired it up and it works. So that's my relay. I'll neaten all this up now and then we'll install it in the aircraft, hopefully. Give me some joy. Do something correct, right and airworthy. All right, master. Hey, it's nice to finally have a smile on the dial. One horn, car horn, relay, fuse. I'll tidy this up. I can say g'day as I taxi past now. What a mess, just for a little job. Alright guys, just a quick one. Got the horn done. See you on the next video. See what happens.